Welcome everyone to a vibrant green world where fish and vegetables grow together. Today, we'll explore the unique aquaponics model, a sustainable and incredibly efficient way to cultivate food right at home. Aquaponics is the combination of aquaculture, raising fish, and hydroponics, growing plants without soil. It's a closed-loop ecosystem where fish provide nutrients for plants, and plants, in turn, filter the water for the fish. A perfect cycle of nature. Instead of using soil, we grow plants in water, harnessing the waste from the fish to provide nutrients for the plants to flourish. This process not only reduces waste, but also produces clean and safe food. Let's take a look at these little fish swimming happily in the pond. This is the heart of the aquaponics system. See, the water in the pond is being continuously purified by the filtration system and natural aquatic plants. The fish waste will then become a valuable source of nutrients for the vegetable garden above. Aren't those fish fry adorable? They'll soon be released here, adding to the system's cycle. And here we have the lush vegetable garden, where the plants are reaching for the sun. The vegetables grow strong without soil thanks to the nutrients from the fish pond. This model saves water, doesn't need pesticides, and yields fresh produce. You can see the different types of vegetables growing, each offering a unique flavor, and all are great for your health. The hydroponic raft system on the water surface is a brilliant idea. It helps save space and maximize the pond's area. The plant roots directly absorb nutrients from the water, cleaning the water and simultaneously producing fresh vegetables. And let's not forget the water filtration system, which plays a vital role in maintaining the ecological balance of the model. Water from the fish pond is purified before it returns, ensuring an ideal living environment for both fish and plants. To have a thriving garden and healthy fish, we need meticulous care. From sowing seeds, planting seedlings, feeding fish to harvesting, each step requires careful attention and patience. Look at the small plant pots being recycled, the quality seeds, and natural fertilizers. Each plays a part in creating a closed loop and sustainable cycle. Finally, the fish fry are released into the pond, and the seedlings are set onto the hydroponic raft. It's all promising a bountiful harvest. Fascinating, isn't it? Aquaponics is not just a method of cultivation, but also a way of living in harmony with nature. It's easy to implement, cost-effective, and offers real, practical benefits. With simple guidance like this, you can build a small aquaponic system at home. Let's work together to create green spaces and clean food for our families. I hope this video has given you some interesting knowledge and inspiration to begin your own aquaponics journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Goodbye and see you next time. To be continued.